Hey everyone, in this video I would like to address an issue where some users are facing when trying to post multiple photos to Instagram but are not able to as they don't see the select multiple option on their app. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this news has been spreading on Instagram and Twitter where users are speculating that Instagram have removed the carousel feature, or also known as the multiple image selector, but it is just a bug. So the issue is actually where when the user goes to post an Instagram feed post, the multiple image option is not visible, just like this on my screen. As you can see, the option is not available to select multiple images from my photo gallery. You'll usually have these two square icons which are overlapping each other. Of course, the first option is to make sure you have updated the app to the latest version. So go over to your app store and search for Instagram. Now make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open Instagram and go to your feed post. And there you go, this has fixed my issue where the multiple image selector was not visible. If the update doesn't make a difference, then try the next step. Go back to your feed post screen. You can go ahead and long press on a picture and you should see a number appear. Now tap on multiple pictures to select to post on Instagram. This way you can post multiple images to your Instagram feed. So just to recap, this is just a bug, as some people are seeing it and some people are not seeing it. Of course, the first step you should take is to update your Instagram app. Even after that, if you don't still see it, then you can use a workaround where you can long press on an image and select multiple images that way. You should see a number appear next to that image. And there you go guys, that is how to fix the issue where you don't see the multiple image selector on Instagram. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.